Hi, this is Dave. Welcome back to my shop. I was hoping to get down here over the past couple weeks and do a few more videos, but the heat and the humidity has been unbelievable. And even down here in this shop, it's just not very pleasant to work. So, I've started on this project today. This will probably take me a day or two to finish. This is an old welding table that I made years ago. And I'm going to show you a big mistake that I made when I first made it. I was thinking at the time that a three-point stance would eliminate any wobble. What I didn't take into account was the fact that there's not enough weight here to keep the table down, and when I pull on something on the vise, I had the vise here and one here, the table would tip. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and cut this third leg off, move it over to a corner, and make a fourth leg. So let me show you what I had here. Let's see if I can do this without. Oh, that's what I was afraid of. There's the third leg. See, make sure you refrain. There's the leg that I need to cut off and weld back into the one of the corners. It's going to negate that vise that I had over in that corner, but that's okay. That's okay. So let me go ahead and get a cutoff wheel. I forgot to bring one over. I'll cut this leg off and weld it back up. Oh, the other thing is I'm going to have to replace these feet on here because I can't find the fourth one. I know I had it, but you know how that goes. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, let's see if we can't get this thing cut off of here. Well, obviously that's not right. Alright, let me go ahead and fix this. Okay, let's try this again. That was a brand new cutoff wheel and the center hub ripped out. Guess we have to plug it in first. Extension cord over. Frame for you. Let me check. Yeah, they're still in frame. And I should turn this so I can see from over there, huh? Okay, let's get a perspective, see if we can knock that loose. I've been down here 10 minutes and I'm already sweating. Okay, the leg is off, but I got to get up out of this shop. I can't take this humidity. Maybe later on when the sun goes down, I'll open up that door behind me. I'll be back later.